Meanwhile, at Dominican College.
Good morning, class. So, for today, sasabihin ko lang yung PETA. Gagawa kayo ng workout plan. Tapos nun, gagawin nyo itong workout for at least 3 months. Kailangan nyo ng recording, video, lahat. 3 months.
For the next 3
Ito ay
months.
50%.
Siguro push up, squat.
Pero wala tayong written exam. So, good luck sa inyo, guys.
Pull up!
Hi, love. So, ba't mo pinili pull-ups? Ha? Bakit? Hindi mo nga kaya ni isa. So dahil doon, me personally, I will teach you how to perform at least one pull-up, no? Or more if you want. So, ako bahala sa'yo. I will be your coach and guide throughout this video. So, let's get right into it.
Dead hangs. So, sa dead hangs, ito yung pinaka-simple yet basic na gawin para lumukas ang iyong back at yung grip para sa pull-up. Papakita ko. Ayan. So, ayan ang dead hangs. As you can see, napaka-firm ng aking grip dito. And, ayun, no? Stationary lang. Fast forward natin. Kasi masyado matagal to. This is for like 2 minutes. 2 minutes, ano. Basta matagal. Tayo kong ginawa yan. Pampastretch lang yan ng back. Lalakas yung back mo dito. Tsaka yung grip mo. Which leads to pull-ups. Next. Chin-ups. So, if you could do at least 1 minute sa dead hang, you can do chin-ups. Practice that. So, ito yung easy version of pull-ups. I will show you. As you can see, full range of motion, all the way up, all the way down. Yan. Huwag ka mag-ego lift. Don't use momentum. Tsaka check mo yung grip ko. Yung palm ko, nasa loob siya ng bar. Yes. Yung sa pull-up kasi, nasa labas yung palm mo. Iba yung grip niya. You know. Nasa loob. Yes. Perfect form. Elegant. Very demure. Ayun lang. Yes. Chin-ups. Ito yung akong ginagawa rin dati. Now, next. Pull-ups. So, ito yung gusto mong level na matutunan. Makakagawa ka na ng pull-up pag makakasampu ka na chin-up. Based on my experience. So, I'll show you. So, in pull-ups, iba lang yung grip niya sa chin-ups. Nasa labas yung grip. Yan yung grip niya. So, all the way up, all the way down, simple movement lang siya. Don't use momentum. Tsaka, yung pull-ups kasi more yung activate niya sa back. Kumpara sa chin-ups, may kamay, halong kamay halos. Yeah.
At ganun nga ang perfect guide sa pull-ups. So, kaya mo na yan, Aryan. Pakita mo ang lakas mo. Pakita mo na mag-pull up. Ganun, paano mag-pull up? Important tips. Magpahinga ng maga, ayusin ang tulog, tsaka kumain at uminom ng tubig. Good luck, kaya mo yan. Love you. Ako nga pala ang iyong teacher, si Stephen Clark A. Belmonte. Good luck.
we doing? What we doing? Call up, bro. Okay, shut. Tell her what's up. Tell her what's up. Tell him it's on.